Ever dream of making money online? Imagine earning without showing your face. YouTube offers that opportunity. Many people are doing it. You can too. This is your guide to faceless YouTube success. Forget awkwardness in front of a camera. No need for fancy equipment or a YouTube face. Intrigued? We'll break it down step by step. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money on YouTube with a faceless channel. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. You create videos without ever appearing on camera. Your content speaks for you. Shy? Camera shy? No problem. You control your privacy. Tutorials, animations, relaxing music, anything goes. The power is in your ideas. Ready to break free from limitations? Let's explore the world of faceless YouTube channels. What exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Simply put, it's a channel where you, the creator, remain unseen. Your content takes center stage. Think tutorials with screen recordings, animated explainers, or even slideshows with a captivating voiceover. Instead of your face, you might use visuals like animations, stock footage, or text on screen. The key is to engage viewers with your content, not your appearance. Whether you're camera shy or simply prefer to remain anonymous, the faceless format empowers you to share your knowledge and creativity with the world. Choosing a faceless approach offers a unique set of benefits. Privacy is a major advantage. You can share your thoughts and passions without revealing your identity. This is particularly appealing for individuals concerned about online privacy or those who prefer to separate their personal and online lives. Another benefit is the ease of content creation. No need to worry about your appearance, lighting, or filming setup. The faceless format also levels the playing field. Your success relies solely on the quality of your content, not your on-camera presence or personal brand. This makes it easier to maintain consistency and grow your channel over time. You might be surprised to learn how many successful YouTube channels operate without ever showing the creator's face. These channels span various niches, from educational content and tutorials to relaxing music and captivating animations. Take, for example, channels dedicated to DIY projects. They guide viewers through step-by-step instructions using screen recordings, close-ups, and voiceovers. Another popular category is animated explainer videos. These channels use engaging visuals and clear narration to break down complex topics into easily digestible pieces. Even channels focusing on travel or food vlogging have found success without showing the creator. It's about finding your niche, unleashing your creativity, and connecting with your audience through the power of your content. Ready to embark on your faceless YouTube journey? It all starts with creating your channel. The process is simple and straightforward, even for beginners. First, you'll need a Google account. If you use Gmail, you're already set. If not, signing up is quick and easy. Once you have a Google account, head over to YouTube and click on the Sign In button. After signing in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Create a Channel. For a faceless channel, we recommend using a custom name that reflects your content niche. Choose a catchy, memorable name. For now, focus on completing the initial setup. While you won't be showing your face, establishing a strong brand identity for your faceless channel is crucial. Your brand visuals, including your profile picture and channel art, should be visually appealing and relevant to your content. Consider using abstract designs, illustrations, or even typography-based logos. The key is to create a cohesive look that reflects your channel's theme and target audience. High-quality, visually consistent branding makes your channel look professional and trustworthy. Use the same branding elements across all your social media platforms and promotional materials to create a unified brand experience for your audience. A strong brand identity helps you stand out from the crowd and attract viewers who resonate with your content. With your channel set up, it's time to focus on the heart of your YouTube journey, your content. Choosing a niche is crucial for attracting a dedicated audience and establishing yourself as an authority in your chosen field. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you possess that you can share with the world? Researching popular niches and identifying potential gaps in the market can also spark ideas. Once you have a niche in mind, it's crucial to validate your idea. Are there other faceless channels in your chosen niche? What kind of content are they creating? Choose a niche that excites you, and you'll be well on your way to creating content that resonates. Don't let the faceless format limit your imagination. There's a world of content possibilities waiting to be explored. Think beyond traditional vlogging. Tutorials are a great starting point. Share your expertise. Software skills, crafting, cooking, anything goes. Screen recordings with a voiceover make it easy to guide viewers. Love gaming? Gameplays with commentary are hugely popular. Focus on strategy and insights. Animation is another fantastic option. Explainer videos, short films, even comedy sketches. Don't forget the power of storytelling. Use stock footage, images, and a compelling voice to craft engaging narratives. Mysteries, historical tales, even fictional stories can captivate your audience. Remember, you're replacing your face with other visuals. Make them count. High-quality, engaging visuals are crucial for a faceless channel's success. Stock footage websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer a vast library of free videos and images. Use them to illustrate your points, create transitions, or set the mood. Don't underestimate the power of text on screen. Use clear, concise text to highlight key points, introduce new sections, or provide additional information. Consider incorporating B-roll footage. Music and sound effects add another layer of engagement. Choose royalty-free tracks that fit your content's mood and pace. Your voice becomes your identity on a faceless channel. A clear, engaging voiceover is essential. Don't worry, you don't need a professional studio. Start with a good microphone. A USB microphone like the Blue Yeti is perfect for beginners. Practice your delivery. Speak clearly, vary your tone, and inject enthusiasm into your voice. Imagine you're talking to a friend, not reading a script. Write conversational scripts. Use humor, anecdotes, and personal stories to make your content relatable. Editing is where your faceless channel truly comes together. A well-edited video can make all the difference. Thankfully, user-friendly editing tools abound. For beginners, free software like OpenShot or Shotcut offers a great starting point. They provide all the basic tools you need to cut, trim, and arrange your footage. As you gain experience, consider investing in more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Remember, editing is about more than just assembling clips. It's about creating a seamless flow, highlighting key moments, and keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. A polished edit can elevate your content from good to great. You've poured your heart into creating amazing content. Now let's talk about turning your passion into profit. Monetizing your faceless channel is achievable with the right strategies. The most well-known method is YouTube's partner program. Once eligible, you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. But don't limit yourself. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. Recommend products related to your niche and earn a commission on qualifying purchases made through your unique links. Think outside the box with sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. And don't forget about merchandise. If you have a loyal following, consider creating branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. The YouTube Partner Program is often the first step for creators looking to monetize their channels. It allows you to earn money through ad revenue, channel memberships, and more. To be eligible, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours within the past 12 months. This demonstrates a consistent audience and engagement with your content. Once you reach these milestones, you can apply for the YPP through your YouTube Studio dashboard. YouTube reviews your channel to ensure it adheres to their monetization policies. Once approved, you can start earning money. It's a significant milestone for any creator and opens up new opportunities for growth and sustainability. While ad revenue is a great starting point, diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term success. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic way to earn passive income. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche and promote products or services you genuinely recommend. When selecting products, prioritize quality and relevance to your audience. Sponsorships provide another lucrative avenue. As your channel grows and you establish authority in your niche, brands may approach you for paid collaborations. Negotiate fair rates that reflect your audience reach and engagement. Maintain transparency by disclosing sponsored content to your viewers. Think of your Faceless channel as a business. Just like any successful business, diversifying your income streams is essential for long-term sustainability. Merchandise offers a fantastic way to engage your audience and generate revenue beyond ads and sponsorships. Create branded products that resonate with your viewers. Consider offering digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Explore crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. These platforms allow your most loyal fans to support your channel directly through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. By diversifying your income and exploring different avenues, you can create a thriving channel that supports your creative endeavors. Creating great content is just the first step. To truly succeed on YouTube, you need to get your videos in front of a wider audience. It's time to dive into growth strategies tailored for faceless channels. One powerful strategy is cross-promotion. Share your videos on other social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Think Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or niche forums. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is another effective way to expand your reach. Look for channels with a similar audience size and content style. Reach out and propose collaboration ideas. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Building relationships with your audience is crucial for long-term growth. Mastering the art of SEO, making your content discoverable. YouTube is the world's second-largest search engine. Understanding SEO is vital. Keywords are key. Use terms people search for. Incorporate relevant keywords into titles, descriptions, and tags. Thumbnails are your first impression. Make them eye-catching. Closed captions improve accessibility and SEO. Include end screens with calls to action. Engaging your community. Building a loyal following. Building a strong community around your Faceless channel is invaluable. It's not just about views. It's about creating a loyal following that actively engages with your content. Encourage interaction by asking questions in your videos. Ask for opinions, feedback, or suggestions for future content. This makes viewers feel like they're part of a conversation. Run contests or giveaways related to your niche. This can be a great way to boost engagement and attract new subscribers. Offer prizes that are relevant and appealing to your target audience. Respond to comments regularly, even if it's just a quick thank you or acknowledgement. Show your viewers that you appreciate their engagement and value their feedback. Consider creating a channel trailer. This is a short video that introduces new viewers to your channel, highlighting your content style, niche, and what they can expect from subscribing. Remember, building a community takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and genuinely engage with your audience. A strong community can become your biggest asset on YouTube. Section 1. Your journey to faceless freedom awaits. We've covered a lot of ground. You've learned what a faceless channel is, its advantages, and the steps to build one. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? That's okay. Starting anything new can feel daunting. Remember, success on YouTube, faceless or not, doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. The most important step is the first one, taking action. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and adapt along the way. Every upload is a learning experience. Pay attention to what resonates with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value. Be authentic, passionate, and connect with your audience on a genuine level. Section 2. Lights, camera, action, anonymously. The beauty of a faceless channel is its accessibility. No need for fancy equipment or on-camera confidence. It's about sharing your knowledge, passion, or creativity, all while maintaining your privacy. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Whether it's tutorials, animations, gaming commentary, or captivating storytelling, there's a niche for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step, create that channel, upload that video, and embark on your journey to faceless YouTube success. Your audience awaits. Remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Refer back to this guide, explore the resources mentioned, and never stop learning and growing. Now go out there and make your mark on the world, one faceless video at a time.